I'm sure you've heard the news. The oldest bird ever found has been discovered. Meet the wonder bird! This newly discovered fossil is 150 million years old. It's like a missing link between dinosaurs and modern birds. With claws on its wings and a long bony tail, this bird looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. But it's real, and it's rewriting what we know about bird evolution. Scientists say this bird could fly, but in a very different way than today's birds. Nominate now for the prestigious International Popular Scientist Awards, happening on March 28th and 29th, 2025 in San Francisco, United States. Visit popularscientist.com today, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and event highlights.